This week's main event was the Jackson Hole Symposium, Thursday through Saturday. This is a meeting of global economic leaders, and this year's topic was structural shifts in the global economy. There were several speeches and interviews scheduled with Fed presidents and other economic leaders, but the market's really waiting on Jerome Powell's speech on Friday. What indications, what hints would he give about future monetary policy, about the path of their federal funds rate, their short-term benchmark rate, any changes to their target rate for inflation. But really, Powell said very little. He did reiterate that any future decisions will be based on incoming economic data confirming that the economy is continuing to slow. We saw this on Wednesday. We saw a nice rally, a rebound that took rates down to the lowest levels in a couple weeks, really in response to PMI, Purchasing Manager Index data, not only here in the US, but also across the EU, showing that economies are slowing. There's a slowdown across manufacturing, the servicing sectors, exactly what the Fed and the markets want to see. Definitely a great sign. Now, these improvements did hold through the end of the week. There was a little bit of volatility on Friday following Powell's speech, but we did see a rebound, which allowed rates to recapture a little bit of that loss and allowed us to close the week in the green. So definitely a great sign. Now, this week, there is a ton of market movement potential. Tuesday through Friday, we have the JOLTS report, which is a labor market indicator. We have GDP data. We have the PCE inflation report on Thursday. And then we have the all-important jobs report on Friday. So a ton of potential volatility across rates. Not to mention, I'm sure, a slew of interviews with Fed presidents who are going to be talking on discussions from Jackson Hole. So you have any questions at all about these headlines, about these improving rate trends, or if you want to talk about how they impact you and your purchase power, definitely give me a call. This is Billy.Saylor, your mortgage professor, 571-330-5884. Have a great week.